Hi, I'm Ashley Sunying Ling.
Hi, I'm Chan Yu Shen. Today we are going to discuss some questions that are related to biochemistry and COVID-19. Aileen, why do you need to learn the four main macromolecules or biomolecules before can learn about biochemistry pathways?
The four main micromolecules, which are protein, carbohydrate, nucleic acid, and lipid, is important to learn before biochemistry pathway because they are essential for our life and biochemical reactions. These molecules perform or trigger important reactions in living organisms and they can't be replaced by any other chemicals. Moreover, they are the building blocks of cells and play a vital role in many biochemical processes. For example, macromolecules provide a source of stored fuel, the ability to store and retrieve genetic information, and the ability to speed up biochemical reactions. In my opinion, these four major macromolecules are the basic for biochemistry, so that we need to learn it before we start to learn biochemistry pathway. Yushen, what is the importance of you learning biochemistry for the better understanding of other subjects in industrial biotechnology program? Can you name a subject in your program which will be useful after studying biochemistry?
Alright. Biochemistry is flexible and can be applied to many fields and specialisms, whether you want to work in industry or continue in education and research in a specific area. It can lead to a broad range of related careers, so it is the perfect choice in learning biochemistry for a better understanding of other subjects in industrial biotechnology. A subject that will be useful after studying biochemistry is microbiology. Biochemistry plays a crucial role in understanding microbiology. It can help in providing insights into the chemical properties, matter, and cellular properties of the microbial culture that is being studied. So, Aileen, what is the significance of learning biochemistry for those having a career in the field of biotechnology?
From my point of view, biochemistry and biotechnology are two fields of life science that are closely related, and biochemistry is playing a huge role in biotechnology. It helps us to unravel the complex chemical reactions that occur in a wide variety of life forms. Even though biochemistry is the study of chemical processes that take place within living organisms, but biotechnology is the ultimate product of this discovery, allowing the identified biochemical process to be exported for technological purpose. For instance, genetically modified organisms that enhance crop yields to the production of life-saving drugs through recombinant DNA technology. From this example, it shows that we are using the biochemistry knowledge about the forming and biological reaction of crops soon afterward improve or enhance crop yields by using biotechnological knowledge. So, biochemistry and biotechnology are tightly related together and it is the key role for those having a career in the field of biotechnology. Yushen, may you explain the connection between the subject of biochemistry and the development of a vaccine for COVID-19 virus?
Biochemistry also contributes to the development of vaccines for protection and therapeutics for treatment. We can use different techniques, methods, and instruments to better understanding the molecular mechanism of the COVID-19 virus. For example, like protein-based vaccines, the coding gene of the protein can be inserted into the plasmid and transformed into the host cell, which can then express the gene into protein. The protein produced is then harvested, purified, and formulated into the vaccine. Aileen, do you know how many types of vaccine are there for COVID-19 in Malaysia?
Sure, there is three types of vaccine for COVID-19 in Malaysia, which are RNA-based vaccine, non-replicating viral vector vaccine, and inactivated vaccine. Moreover, there is 8 vaccines which approved in Malaysia, which are the Moderna, Pfizer, which are the RNA-based vaccine, Janssen, AstraZeneca, and Bharat Biotech, which are the non-replicating viral vector vaccine. Lastly, Sinopharm and Sinovac, which are the inactivated vaccine. Vishen, since we are discussing about the vaccine, may you share about your feeling after you are vaccinated?
And for me, I was fully vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine. I remember that the process of vaccinating was quite fast from what I expected. I had just a little side effect like fever for one day and I took paracetamol and after that I recovered. And how about you?
For me, I was fully vaccinated with AstraZeneca. In my experience, I got some side effect also, which is my shoulders muscle area where the injection are given was pain and feel fatigue during that time. But I normally get well the next day. The novel virus was first identified in an outbreak in the Chinese city of Wuhan in December 2019. The World Health Organization declared on 5 May 2023 COVID-19 as endemic. Yushen, may you please discuss what's likely after the pandemic have become endemic currently?
The transition of COVID-19 from a pandemic to an endemic status, as suggested in the scenario, has several implications and potential developments. After COVID-19 becomes endemic, many of the strict measurements and restrictions put in place during the pandemic phase might be relaxed. Governments and health authorities may no longer need to implement lockdowns, travel bans, or mass quarantines to control the virus spread. Instead, the focus will shift towards sustainable strategies to manage the virus within the population.
Alright, that's all for our discussion. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
Thank you.